after getting the error and all of this, we are got our library. Let's follow the link. Okay, open. Great job. Here is my name, and here is the pip install command, the readme file, and yeah, let's see what we did first. Virtual environment, then activate the virtual environment, then install UV install and upgrade. After that, some errors, and then mm, getting started. Series Python -m build something, created some thing, then fetch all of this. Think txt is not written. Then copying all of this, building, creating, installing, get started. After that, successfully build, then this pass Python m point check dist star, then this showing on warning, then we are doing python slash m dot point dot upload dist, access the token key, and then uploaded, then we got this link. Okay, this is nothing, just install the point dispatch, not something PowerShell, nothing else. The file. Okay, let's start, and this is our GitHub. Let me find. So command, I copy paste from here. Licensing command. What happened when we authenticate this website PYPI? Then we are issuing. So this suggests some website. We follow along the follow along this. And here I click one this URL, then yeah, okay, our success time. Let's see VS Code. Here time is not mentioned. Okay, then Google account again some searches, some authenticator app, understanding substance, GitHub, T4, some setting to get the access. Here is the package successfully uploaded, just uploaded 10 minutes ago. And here is our package. Let's try out. Copy VS Code. Open folder. Paste. Create a new folder. View. Here is the command. Terminal. Select the command. UV. Just paste. Default user installation. It is not the requirement already satisfied. Warning, typo 0.6 does not provide the extra all uninstalling. What happened? Let's install with UV. Now virtual environment to create this. Mm, So create Jam. Yes. So create help. Yes. Yes, we did it. Our small library. Next day we create a demo on this. Next day means today is the next day. Okay. This is the tree structure. some sorting, some output display, some filtering, general. The command we are working on node, but I am too much excited, so I launched now. Let's uh, do some show file tree version 3. Okay, reopen something. Mm, Properties. Click on this. Copy path. Show file tree. Then path here mention root path or the default is 0. Let's empty file. And also empty file. Let's take another. Here is the so command. Let's work on this. Copy the path. Paste it. Yes. Here is our hello data points. It is my signature. We are in L folder. The L folder here is all the files. Let's count size and count. See what you want to count. Yes, here is the 1.4 MB. The document 4 KB. 0 folder, 0 document. The draw.io 1 folder and the 0 document and the picture 6 folder. I think here is one box. It considered the 6 folder. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, save it. For our bug fix template, we are launching very soon. Yeah, this is so how I think to take the screenshot of our CLI. This is too large. From here, this goes around this. Let's create a file. No, txt file. Just we are experimenting. Uh, yeah, in the txt file it looks clean. Just I'm excited, so I'm doing this. Let's take the time and tell me about how this repo and do some pull request to resource. We are fixing soon. Yeah, this is from my side, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, we are adding this on LinkedIn also. Okay, we do it later.